What is going on, Road Warriors? High Road Comics here, and today is New Comic Book Wednesday, the 24th of April, 2019. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one out of the way because it's giant size and it won't fit on my little back screen thing. Amber Blake #2, great read, couldn't find the variant, didn't happen, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and check out what other comics I got.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
I got The War of the Realms, Uncanny X-Men #1. Man, let me see if I can back this cam up. Alright, sorry about that. Should have tested it out in the first place, but I don't have time for that. Okay, War of the Realms, Uncanny X-Men #1. I think this is a 3-part issue. I'm excited to read it because Rosenberg is writing it. I mean, it's gonna be good. And look at the artwork on that. It's fantastic. Look at that beast in the corner. Okay, Scout Comics, The Electric Black. Man, I should have sorted these out because that clip art is gonna be hard to sort out later. But yes, The Electric Black #1. I'm gonna check this issue out. If I like it, I'm going to have it added to my pull list. This week was pretty good as far as picking up my pulls. Back to Marvel, we have Fantastic Four #9. And I almost went with the variant. Dr. Doom looked awesome on that one, but I'm actually digging these covers. Dan Slott, keep doing what you're doing. Alright. The Avengers, Edge of Infinity #1. I ended up getting this variant by Lim. Had to make sure. And I'm sure it's gonna be a great read. The Superior Spider-Man #5. Alright, let me do some more Marvel so I don't have to redo. Alright, The War of the Realms continues in this Earth's Mightiest Heroes, The Avengers. And this is #18 by Jason Aaron and Ed McGuinness. Looking forward to it. I gotta catch up on the Avengers. I haven't read it since Blade joined. Spoiler alert. Okay, and let's keep going. Alright. The Amazing Spider-Man #20. Hunted Part 4. And this Hunted series redeemed Nick Spencer's entire Hunted run. I'm thinking about going to go see him in Ontario, California. Haven't decided yet, but if I do, please let me know in the comment section below which comics would you have him sign, because I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. And this one, it's not done by Donny Cates, but that's okay. I'm still gonna read it. Bun wrote this one, and it still looks badass. Venom, War of the Realms, tie-in. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Is that all I've got for Marvel? Thank goodness. Nope. One more. Thanos #1. I didn't go with the variant as much as I wanted to, but this cover is pretty sick. Gamora in the background. Baby Gamora in the forefront. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty good read. I don't know. I just have a feeling that you're gonna root for the bad guy here. Alright, so that's all I got for Marvel. Let's go ahead and see what else I got. I added this to my pull list. Can't go wrong. Spawn. I got the sketch variant. Todd McFarlane also did the cover. LCS didn't have the regular cover. A little bummed out about that, but that's okay. The ink on this is pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, so I think that's it for Image. Let's go to DC. Batman Detective Comics #1002. Didn't go with the Mark Brooks variant. Man. Who's that? The Arkham Knight. Finally. I got Action Comics 1010. Also like the cover A better on this one. And that's it for DC Comics. That is it. This one's on my pull list. I'm gonna read it right now after this video. Dark Red #2. Awesome cover. guess what? They're vampires. I got another Scout comic. The source number 3. That was actually from 2 weeks ago. LCS forgot to put on my pull list, but they were able to order me another one. Little bummed out. Corner was bent and there's some dings and creases, but that's okay. I'm in it for the read. If you didn't see, Scout Comics has their store that they just opened, their grand opening. Check it out. There's a lot of cool videos and pictures on their Instagram and social media, and James Hike's Instagram. And this one is my cover of the week. I don't know if it's gonna be the read of the week, but I'm on back on that Star Trek train, wagging at the stars. This cover is so badass. I'm not exactly sure who did it. It looks like Greg Mildebrand, and it's awesome. I can't wait to read it. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I'm back. I'm a Trekker. Star Trek Discovery. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you watch it. It's so good. So yeah, that's all I got. Let me know what you think about my pickups. What did I miss? I'll tell you what I missed. LCS didn't have it. They didn't have Donny Cates' return to Redneck number 19. They didn't have it, but that's okay. I'm thinking about just collecting that one and trade anyway. So yes, that's it. That's all I got. This is High Road Comics, taking the next exit. I'll see you at the next stop.